Darkness, cold, or water do not stop him. And the silence with which he disappears after an attack is often more terrifying than a roar. Tigers possess abilities that are rarely mentioned in documentaries, yet those very traits are what made them legendary. Not just beautiful animals. Some facts about tigers sound so unbelievable that they seem like myths, but in reality, they are confirmed by science. And the most fascinating part is that most people have no idea how differently this predator actually sees, hears, and thinks. So today, that's exactly what we're going to talk about. Subscribe to the channel so you don't lose me. And let's dive into some amazing facts. 1. The largest predator among all cats. The tiger is rightfully considered the largest member of the cat family, and that's not an exaggeration. Adult males can weigh over 300 kilograms while still maintaining incredible agility and speed. Its body is not designed just to display power. It is built for efficient hunting. Massive paws allow for powerful leaps, and its muscles work so smoothly that an attack often goes unnoticed until the very last second. Even the lion, often called the king of beasts, usually loses in a direct confrontation with a tiger. Its size and strength place the tiger at the very top among all cats. What's fascinating is that this immense power is combined with silence and precision rather than brute aggression. 2. 6 modern subspecies of tigers. Today, only 6 living subspecies of tigers remain in the world, and each of them is unique. Bengal tigers live mainly in India and symbolize the wild jungles of the region. Amur tigers have adapted to harsh winters and survive in places where freezing temperatures seem incompatible with feline life. Sumatran tigers are the smallest and thrive in dense tropical rainforests. Indo-Chinese and Malayan tigers are rarely seen by humans because of their secretive lifestyles. The South China tiger, sadly, is on the verge of extinction. The differences between these subspecies go far beyond appearance. They include behavior, size, and survival strategies in different environments. Each of them tells its own story of survival against both nature and humans. 3. Stripes, not only on fur, but on skin. One of the most fascinating and lesser-known facts about tigers is that their stripes are not only on their fur, they are also present on their skin. Even if you imagine a tiger completely shaved, the striped pattern would still remain. This pattern forms during embryonic development and stays unchanged throughout the tiger's life. Every tiger has a completely unique stripe pattern, much like human fingerprints. Because of this, scientists can identify individual tigers using photographs from camera traps. The stripes serve an incredibly important camouflage function, breaking up the animal's outline in dense vegetation. To its prey, the tiger practically melts into the shadows and light of the jungle. Even in open areas, its silhouette is surprisingly difficult to recognize from a distance. It's a perfect example of evolution creating ideal camouflage without a single unnecessary detail. 4. The ability to change their diet. Although tigers are famous for hunting large prey, they can be surprisingly flexible in their diet. When large animals are scarce, tigers may hunt small mammals, birds, and even fish. This adaptability is especially important in regions with seasonal changes. Tigers are not picky when survival is at stake. They can adjust their hunting strategies depending on available resources. This versatility allows them to survive in environments where other predators disappear. At the same time, a tiger always tries to minimize energy expenditure. It does not hunt without need and rarely takes unnecessary risks. That efficiency is what makes it one of the most successful predators on the planet. 5. Extraordinary jaw strength. A tiger's jaws are among the most powerful of all land predators. Its bite is strong enough to kill large prey almost instantly, usually targeting the neck or the back of the skull. This allows the tiger to end the hunt quickly and reduce the risk of injury. Those powerful jaws also help the tiger carry prey that can weigh more than the tiger itself. Its jaw muscles are so strong that it can crush bones, giving access to the nutritious bone marrow. Everything in its body is designed for efficiency. No movement is wasted. It is yet another example of the perfection of this predator. 6. The capacity for care and emotion. Despite their fearsome reputation, tigers are capable of displaying care and surprisingly complex social behaviors. This is especially evident in the relationship between a mother and her cubs. The tigress not only feeds her young, but also teaches them how to hunt and survive. She protects them even from larger and stronger rivals. In some cases, tolerant behavior toward injured relatives has been observed, suggesting the presence of emotional bonds. A tiger is not a mindless killing machine. It can recognize familiar individuals. Such behaviors are rarely shown in popular wildlife films, but they make the tiger even more remarkable. 7. Masters of sound imitation. Tigers possess an unusual ability. They can imitate the sounds of other animals. This can be used as part of their hunting strategy. The prey may interpret the sound as harmless, allowing the tiger to quietly close the distance. Such behavior requires a high level of control and learning. It is not an instinctive reflex, but a skill developed through experience. Not every tiger uses this tactic, but those that do tend to be more successful hunters. This once again highlights the high intelligence of tigers. They do not rely solely on strength, they also rely on cunning. And that is what makes them so dangerous. 8. Antiseptic properties of their saliva. Tiger saliva has natural antiseptic properties. When a tiger licks its wounds, it can help reduce the risk of infection. In the wild, this ability can mean the difference between life and death. Without treatment, even a small wound could become fatal. Nature has compensated for the lack of medicine. A tiger can take care of its own body, something especially important for a solitary predator that cannot rely on help from others. Details like this explain how tigers manage to survive in such harsh environments. 9. Standing even after death. There is a chilling but real fact about tigers. Even after receiving a fatal wound, a tiger may remain standing on its feet for some time. This is due to the incredible strength of its muscles and nervous system. To prey, or to an enemy, this can appear terrifying. The tiger may seem alive even in the moment of death. This endurance was often described in ancient legends and helped make the tiger a symbol of unbreakable strength. Even death does not immediately stop its body. 10. False eyes on the ears. On the back of a tiger's ears are light-colored spots that resemble eyes. These markings create the illusion that the tiger is constantly watching. This can confuse both prey and potential enemies. An animal may think the tiger is looking directly at it, reducing the likelihood of an attack from behind. It is a simple, yet brilliant evolutionary solution. The tiger does not have to do anything. Nature has already done the work. And this mechanism functions every single day in the wild. If you enjoy this kind of content, subscribe to the channel and tell me in the comments, what do you think makes the tiger truly dangerous? Its physical strength or its intelligence and patience? Thanks for watching. Take care of yourselves and protect nature. Bye-bye.